What's up, everybody? Welcome to Mom's Dinner. My name is Susie Weinrich. Here, we help adults feel successful at dinner time. So if that sounds good to you, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Today, we are making a 15-minute mascarpone pasta. You're going to start with a little salted cooking water that's boiling and add in about 12 ounces of your favorite pasta noodle. Now, cook this to al dente, and you're going to want to reserve some of that starchy pasta cooking water. What I like to do is put a glass measuring cup down in a colander, and you won't forget it. Now we need about a quarter cup of white wine. A Chardonnay or a Pinot Grigio will work great here. Pop that into a skillet over medium heat. This is my favorite tip. Buy wine that looks like this, pull that top up, and then pop the lid on. You can put it in the freezer, and you will have white wine to cook with for months to come. Now you need the zest of one entire lemon. Just zest that right down into that wine. And we're going to chop up a couple garlic cloves and pop those in with the wine and the lemon. You're going to want to let that just simmer over that medium heat for a couple minutes and let all the flavors come together. Now we're going to make it nice and creamy. You're going to add about 4 ounces of a mascarpone cheese down into that sauce. Just stir it around until the entire piece of the mascarpone cheese is melted down into the pan. And this is great as is, but we're going to take it just to the next level. We're going to add in a little Parmesan cheese to add to the flavor and make everything just a little bit creamier. Stir that around so that it gets nice and melty together. And now it's time to add in your cooked pasta. You can just pour that right into the sauce. And then we're going to stir everything together. And this is where you can use your reserved starchy pasta cooking water. You can pour it in there and thin that sauce out and make it a little bit creamier. I'm going to add a little extra black pepper here. And then, as always, I recommend that you taste your dish before you serve it. And I think that we've got this one spot on. Super delicious. So if you make this mascarpone pasta, I would love to know in the comments below how it turned out for you and what you served it with. And as always, I hope this recipe helps you feel like a success at dinner time. See you next week.